Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another curated bead box. This is a $20 monthly subscription, and I have a coupon code for you to get 35% off your first box. Use coupon code AGERM35 to save 35%. I'm going to put a link for the subscription box down there below, so you can go and get this if you want it, and I will also put the coupon code for you. Alright, so let's go ahead and check the box out. This month's theme is Fantasy Flight, and there's turquoise in here, my favorite color, and it looks like there's some pretty beads. And remember, or in case you're new to this, here's the names of everything that's in the box, and over here is codes, so you can reorder this stuff if you like it. And then down here, it talks about the findings starter kit that's in the box and stuff like that. Alright, so let's go ahead and get the knife. Oh my gosh, that green strand, at least I think it's green. It's really pretty. See right there, that milky looking one? Oh, the turquoise. Yay, we got this bumpy pearl. This month it's smaller. Every time I get this it's a 8mm, but look at that in the 6. It is gorgeous. This is one of my favorite strands I keep getting in this box. This is bumpy pearl. It's so pretty. The texture is amazing. Love that. So let's get this out of the way. I am making a big mess. Alright, so, whoa. Huge bead. Lampwork bead. Alright, to the list. Okay. Folded the box so I could see what's on the top. First thing is a 12mm golden brown faceted glass bead, 13-inch string. That's this golden brown. Wow, this is so heavy and big. And I'm not just saying that the beads are big. What I'm actually talking about is how big the strand is. This is a really long strand. 13 inches too. Usually it's 12, right? 12 or 15. This is very pretty. This, you know what I'm noticing? This has a sharper looking facet, if that makes sense to you. This one here is more of the facet we've been getting, and it's more rounded, like a check fire polish bead, right? And it's faceted, but it's not as sparkly. But the sharper the facet, the more sparkly it is. So these are awesome. I love those. Next thing is a 10mm turquoise yellow marble style glass bead, 8-inch turquoise. Is that going to be this? Oh no, my strand is busted. Yeah. So I think that's this. Turquoise yellow marble style glass bead, 8-inch. I'm going to try and restring this. Alright, so I almost got them all. I see another one right there. But look at this. This is very pretty. I love turquoise and brown together. I forgot to mute my phone. Somebody just texted me. But that's a really pretty strand. And there's another one. And so that was the 10mm. Next is 10mm brown turquoise duo style glass bead, 6-inch string. This thing? Wait a second. 10. Where's the next biggest size? Oh, this. It's buried. Oh, this is really cool looking. So it's another crackle bead that has like the dye in it. The dye seeps into the cracks, and then they put even more color on it. And it looks like a gemstone. But it is glass. Isn't that pretty? It looks really good with the colors here. Nice mix of color. Oh, this is neon yellow. I thought that was green. Or maybe my lighting is making it look like that. Next thing is 8mm neon yellow jade style glass bead. 16-inch string. I was just talking about those. So this actually matches this blue strand really well. I'm going to try to pick this up without losing beads. Do you see there's yellow in the blue? Right there. See that bead? Yeah. That's cute. For spring, summer, those two, if I just did those two together. Actually, the pearl, this pearl with that. Yeah, that's pretty. Okay. Get over here. I feel like there's so much stuff, I'm having a hard time showing it all in my camera. I don't think I can zoom out anymore. And what's the next thing? After the neon yellow is 8mm yellow gray duo style glass bead, 10.5. This. Yeah, yellow and gray. This is really cool. Oh no, another bead's trying to escape. I'll have to push this bead down and use pliers to get it back on there. But look at how cool that looks. Again, it has the dye and the cracks, and then it's coated with different colors. Very unique. I've never seen a color mix like this. Again, it looks like stone. So that's cool. Okay. Next thing is 6mm teal rustic glass pearl, 16-inch strand. This, my favorite. It's so gorgeous, so gorgeous. Look at the texture. They have the coolest texture. It's like a stucco on a house. They're really neat. And they have good size holes where I could use them on cording if I wanted to. Love those. Beautiful. Okay, next thing. 6mm pale gold faceted glass bead. That's this. Yes. I think I know this is topaz. I actually found out in a recent video. I was confused because I got some beads from another subscription box and it said they were topaz, but they were brown. So I did research and I actually found out that topaz comes in a whole bunch of different colors, like blue, and the honey colors like this, and even more than that. I didn't know that. So very pretty. This is like a neutral color, so I always use this to like make other colors look even cooler. Like this with this, and that strand there with this one there. Like these four together look really great. Alright, so there's that. And the next thing is $6mm pure Elegance abstract glass bead. What? That's probably this. Yeah, I haven't seen a bead like this in years. When I first started beading, Walmart had a lot of stuff like this. So it is coated. This bead is painted. It's yellow. Most of these are painted. That one's painted, 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 painted. The pearls are painted. But like this here, it has a coating on it, and then they have a metallic, like brush strokes on it. And it is metallic. Like it looks really wild. Look at that. It's very flashy. It's a cool bead. Hey, oh my gosh, this will work in my bracelet that I did a tutorial on. So I did I did a couple bracelets with this subscription box already, And gosh, I wonder if there's enough beads on this strand though. I did use a lot of beads. So I made a bracelet with pink crackled beads last time using a box. And it had big enough beads where I could pass my cord through it. I'll put a picture of that bracelet that I'm talking about up now. In case you want to go make that project. The next thing is 6mm, already did that one, 4mm turquoise gemstone bead strand. This. So we did previously get this in a box, and I'm happy they're sending this to me again because I love turquoise. And I would like to have a billion of these beads here in my stash. I also did a bracelet with this the last time I got this. I'll put a picture of that up now. So if you want, you can go and do that project if you want. And then the next thing is 4mm silver iron bead. Approximate 60 beads. This. Yeah, these, by the way, you can also use these with this. In that tutorial, I use these turquoise beads with gold. So if you want, you could do those there together, straight from the box. You just need cord and a button. So that's awesome. These do have really big holes. See? Where they would like work on leather. So those are great. And there's a lot in this bag. That bag's loaded. Alright, so next thing is 4.75-inch etched silver metal bookmark. This here, this one is really gorgeous. So I've been getting these in subscriptions lately. I got a mermaid one. I got one that has a pattern kind of like this. This here is really pretty. This one has settings where I can set crystals into it. See the little holes right there? If I wanted to. And I've been wanting to try these as a hair stick because I think it would be cool to be able to stick this in your hair and have a bead dangled in here. Really neat. Oh, there's a runaway bead. Alright, and then the next thing is 32 by 22mm eagle patina metal pendant. This here. This looks exactly like a sterling silver eagle pendant that I had as a kid. It was actually my sister's and she gave it to me, but it has the same exact, like the wings are the same, the position the bird's in. It's kind of funny. It looks really cool with the patina on it. That's beautiful. And now this here, is this going to be next? No. Blown large handmade lamport glass bead. So that's this bead. This is huge. It's actually brown and it has that silver center, but you can't see it. Now my bead is damaged right here. I always see this with these beads. But this could be covered up with a bead cap if you wanted to. I've done that before because I've had some like really pretty, I had a teardrop once. There was nothing wrong with it and I accidentally chipped the top of it and I had to use it. So I just put a bead cone over it and it still worked. You couldn't tell that it was chipped, and because I put it onto wire, it wasn't sharp where it could have, like, you know, cut my thread because it was on wire, so it was totally fine. So I do have some big bead caps in my stash that I might be able to cover that top with. But like even this hole here, like this isn't chipped, but it's not the prettiest hole, you know? So you can cover that too if you wanted to. You can also do a beaded cap if you want. But that is an enormous bead. That is huge. Alright, so this here I was trying to say, I got an email about this being in my box. This is a 6mm pearl strand brown color. It's a bronzy brown. Very pretty. I don't know if this was accidentally supposed to be in the box. what. But yeah, there's an extra strand. And then, so I'll put this back here. I don't want to lose that. And we're going to go through the baggie in case you don't know what's in this. So this here is a little kit, basically, of findings for you. This is a really awesome subscription if you're brand new to jewelry making, because it comes with everything in the box, and you can make several pieces from one box. All you need is tools. So they give you elastic cord, and this is really good, strong elastic. I've already used it and I love it. And memory wire, bead stringing wire, crimp beads, lobster claw clasp, jump rings, and they're chunky, thick jump rings. I think they're like 18 gauge, earring findings, and head pins. So there's a lot here for you. So you can make several projects. This is it. I hope you enjoyed this box opening. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.